Top 20 Trending YouTube Short Songs 2023.
꽃향기만 남기고 갔단다. I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand. I'm feeling lonely. 그 말이 끝내고 말해줘요 honey. 다시 cry. Cause I'm good. I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. And you see me like I would not stand. Too fast. I don't ever wanna see.
Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight.
Now what's the word, Captain? I think I caught you lacking. There are 9 more layers that this hell's. Mariana, you go down just like Holy Mary. Mariana.
When the sun goes down and the moon comes up,
Mommy don't know that he's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unheard.
You and I swear I do. Snapping 1, 2. Where are you? You're still in my heart. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh. Damn, baby, you so vicious. You so clean, so delicious. How come you ain't got no misses? Count that.
Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for the laugh, and sing for the tear. Sing with me.
Do ba 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 do.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Top 20 Trending YouTube Short Songs 2023.
꽃향기만 남기고 갔단다. I can buy